Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the inspiring realm of the spirit animals oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the goose spirit animal, renowned for teamwork, community, and determination. Part 1. Discovering the goose spirit. The majestic geese personify essential qualities of teamwork, community, and determination. Through their spiritual essence, they inspire humans to foster a strong sense of support and cooperation, to rely on their instincts for navigation, and to approach life's journey with unwavering resilience. At the core of the goose's symbolism lies the power of teamwork and community. Geese are known for their remarkable ability to fly in a V formation, where each bird takes turns leading the flock, benefiting from reduced air resistance. This cooperative behavior teaches us the value of collective effort, reminding us that we can achieve more together than alone. The spiritual medicine of geese encourages us to build strong bonds with others, lend a helping hand, and draw strength from the support of our community. Additionally, geese exemplify determination and perseverance during their long migratory journeys. When they embark on their seasonal migrations, they face numerous challenges, yet they press on with unwavering resolve. This tenacity becomes a powerful lesson for humans, urging us to stay determined in the face of adversities and to remain committed to our goals. The journey of life may present obstacles, but like the goose, we are called upon to forge ahead with courage and persistence. Geese are also renowned for their navigational instincts. During their migrations, they rely on their innate sense of direction to find their way across vast distances. This symbolism reminds us to trust our intuition and inner wisdom in navigating life's path. Geese encourages us to listen to our inner voice, trust our instincts, and have faith in the choices we make. Embracing our intuition can lead us to new discoveries and opportunities along our journey. The spiritual essence of geese urges us to embrace resilience in the face of change and uncertainty. Geese adapt to varying climates and environments during their migrations, showing us the importance of flexibility and the ability to adjust to life's transitions. Part 2. Qualities of the goose spirit. The goose, as a remarkable creature, possesses an array of captivating qualities that have intrigued and inspired humans for ages. Known for their strong sense of community and teamwork, geese display exceptional cooperation and communication within their flock. Their instinctive migratory behavior showcases determination and perseverance as they navigate vast distances with unwavering dedication. Geese are also admired for their loyalty and devotion to their lifelong mates, symbolizing enduring love and companionship. With their distinctive V-formation flight pattern, geese exemplify efficient leadership and synergy, taking turns at the front to reduce wind resistance for the others behind. Moreover, their honking calls echo a sense of alertness and watchfulness, reflecting their protective and vigilant nature. As graceful beings, geese embody elegance both on land and in water, leaving an indelible impression of beauty and grace in the natural world. Part 3. Cultural and mythological significance of the goose spirit. Geese are revered in many cultures worldwide, symbolizing qualities such as communication, teamwork, and cooperation. Their distinctive V-formation flight pattern during migration epitomizes collective effort, often drawing parallels with human collaboration. Also, their nurturing behavior towards their offspring has led to associations with fertility, motherhood, and the embodiment of maternal instincts. In various mythologies, geese hold a special place as connectors between the mortal realm and the spirit world. Their calls were believed to convey divine messages or prophecies. Both Native American and Celtic traditions regard geese as spiritual messengers, imbuing them with wisdom and considering their presence in dreams or rituals as bearing significant otherworldly messages. In historical contexts, geese were venerated in civilizations like ancient Egypt. The god Geb, symbolizing the earth, was depicted with a goose head, while goddess Isis was sometimes illustrated with goose-like wings. Additionally, geese have been featured in many global folktales, emphasizing their versatile symbolic role in cultural narratives, ranging from exemplifying virtues, to conveying profound spiritual insights. Part 4. A Goose in My Dreams. The appearance of a goose spirit in your dream can offer deep insights, often reflecting facets of your subconscious and personal beliefs. The goose spirit may symbolize guidance, intuition, and a call to trust your inner wisdom, indicating you're being divinely supported. Geese, known for their resilience and adaptability, might be presenting a message about your own strength and the determination required to weather life's challenges with grace. Geese's migratory behavior and teamwork during their journey can denote transitions and the power of collaboration in your dream. Their appearance could suggest the importance of seeking support, fostering harmony in relationships, and the value of collective effort towards shared goals. Additionally, this bird may signify a connection to nature, urging you to appreciate its beauty and immerse yourself in its rhythms. In certain cultural contexts, geese stand as emblems of emotional expression and communication. If a goose spirit graces your dream, it might be hinting at the need to confront and articulate your feelings, promoting emotional well-being. Analyzing the emotions experienced during the dream and any specific interactions with the goose spirit can provide deeper clarity on its relevance to your current life situations. Part 5. Habitat, Behaviors, and Ecological Importance of the Goose. Habitat. The habitat of the goose varies depending on the species, but geese are highly adaptable birds found in diverse environments across the globe. Many species of geese are migratory, undertaking long journeys between their breeding and wintering grounds. During the breeding season, geese typically inhabit wetland areas such as marshes, lakes, ponds, and riverbanks, which provide an abundance of aquatic plants and insects for feeding. These locations also offer safety from predators and ample nesting sites. In colder regions, geese seek areas with open water, such as coastal estuaries or unfrozen lakes, to sustain their needs during winter. They are also known to thrive in agricultural landscapes, utilizing fields for foraging on grains and grasses. Geese exhibit a remarkable ability to adapt to human-altered environments, making them a familiar sight in urban parks, golf courses, and other man-made settings where they find food and shelter. This versatility in choosing habitats contributes to the geese's widespread distribution and successful coexistence with human populations. Behaviors. Migration. One of the most remarkable behaviors of geese is their annual migratory journey. Many species of geese are migratory birds, traveling long distances between their breeding and wintering grounds. They exhibit exceptional navigational skills and fly in V formation, taking turns in the lead position to reduce wind resistance and conserve energy during their arduous journeys. Family bonding. Geese are highly social and form strong family bonds. During the breeding season, they pair up with mates, and both parents actively participate in raising their offspring. They are attentive and protective parents, nurturing their goslings and teaching them essential survival skills from a young age. Vocal communication. Geese are known for their distinctive honking calls, which play a vital role in their communication. Their vocalizations convey various messages, such as alerting the flock about potential threats, communicating during migration, and maintaining contact with their group while foraging. Foraging behavior. Geese are primarily herbivores and have a varied diet that includes aquatic plants, grasses, grains, and sometimes insects. They are well adapted to foraging in wetland habitats, using their long necks to reach underwater vegetation while swimming or dabbling. Aggressive defense. Geese are territorial birds and can display aggressive behavior, especially during the breeding season. They will fiercely defend their nesting sites and young from potential threats, including other geese or predators. When feeling threatened, they may hiss, flap their wings, or even charge intruders to protect their territory and family. Ecological importance. The ecological importance of the goose lies in its role as a keystone species, significantly impacting various aspects of the ecosystem. As migratory birds, geese play a crucial role in the dispersal of seeds, aiding in the distribution and germination of various plant species across vast distances. Their foraging behavior in wetland habitats also helps control vegetation growth, promoting plant diversity and maintaining the ecological balance of these sensitive ecosystems. Moreover, geese serve as important prey for predators, contributing to the food web's stability and supporting other animal populations. Their presence in wetlands and agricultural fields enhances nutrient cycling through their droppings, enriching the soil and benefiting both flora and fauna. Part 6. How the goose contributes to scientific research. The goose, known for its migratory behaviors and social dynamics, offers a wealth of knowledge to scientific research. Notably, studies on geese have provided pivotal insights into avian migration, including navigation mechanisms, the physiological demands of long-distance flight, and the environmental cues that trigger migratory behaviors. Additionally, their ability to form V-shaped flight formations has spurred aerodynamic research, elucidating energy conservation strategies in group flight. On a genetic and developmental front, goose domestication and breeding have advanced our understanding of avian genetics and reproductive biology. Through the lens of the goose, researchers unravel the complexities of avian behavior, physiology, and ecology. Part 7. Guided visualization to connect with the goose spirit. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Take a few moments to center yourself by focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension or thoughts. Close your eyes and visualize yourself standing in a vast, serene meadow, with a gentle breeze brushing against your skin. Feel the soft grass beneath your feet, connecting you to the earth's energy. As you take in the surroundings, you notice a shimmering light in the distance. As you walk towards it, the light grows brighter, and you can see the form of a majestic goose gracefully approaching you. As the goose comes closer, you can feel its serene and nurturing presence. Take a moment to observe its beautiful features, the elegant curves of its body, and the warmth in its eyes. Now, extend your hand towards the goose with an open heart. Feel the gentle touch of its feathers as it allows you to connect with its essence. As you make this connection, imagine a warm and radiant light surrounding both you and the goose, signifying the merging of your energies. Allow yourself to enter into a state of deep relaxation and openness, inviting the spirit of the goose to impart its wisdom and guidance upon you. You may wish to ask the goose spirit a question, or simply be receptive to any messages it may have for you. As you connect with the spirit of the goose, you may feel a sense of unity with nature and a deeper understanding of your own inner strength, adaptability, and intuition. Embrace any emotions or insights that arise during this encounter, knowing that the goose spirit is here to support and guide you on your journey. Take a few more moments to bask in this connection and express gratitude to the spirit of the goose for its presence and wisdom. When you are ready to conclude the visualization, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a few deep breaths, feeling the earth beneath you and the rejuvenating energy of the goose spirit flowing through you. Gently open your eyes, carrying the essence of the goose spirit with you as a source of inspiration and guidance in your daily life. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.